I'm Anita Allen, Professor of Law and Philosophy at the University of Pennsylvania, and my new book is called Unpopular Privacy, What Must We Hide? Unpopular Privacy is a book that has a very special mission. Most books about privacy explain why we need privacy or defend why the government should give people the option of privacy. My book takes the unusual stance of saying, okay, we want the government to protect privacy, but we also want people to want privacy. And the book seeks to explain why it's important that we actually consider imposing privacy on society that may be enthralled by social media and other electronic devices that involve giving away, exposing ourselves to the general public. The aim is to really assess the scholarly perspective that has been so resistant and hesitant to admit paternalistic laws into the picture. We tend to think that laws should be paternalistic only when it comes to children. Well, my argument is that there's something about technology and the internet, its complexity, its novelty, which justifies a more aggressive approach to protect people from their own lack of interest in privacy. This book took a very long time to write. I began writing this book in the late 1990s. And it took a long time to write because the world kept changing. 9/11 rewrote the terms of social life, creating a need for more security, more monitoring. So every time I thought I was about to finish this book, we'd get a great cataclysm. It could be 9/11, it could be financial meltdown. And all of these things, which may not obviously have to do with privacy, they actually resulted in changes in privacy laws, financial privacy laws, or airport security laws. And so the world was not standing still. I finally decided that the world was never going to stand still, and I had to write the book. But I think the book now reflects thinking about what we need by way of privacy in a highly regulated context. And we need, I think, unfortunately, more regulations and also more personal ethics. One of the big points my book makes is that if a person is going to enjoy the kind of privacy that he or she needs moving forward, we have to have law in place, but also personal ethics in place that lead us to value our own privacy and to value our own opportunities that stem from a world in which we can, in fact, control access to information.